Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee, and today I'm going to be doing a nail video for you. I'm going to be doing some Valentine nails. Definitely find them on the website for you. They're a very pretty pink. These are the long gel fantasy collection, and I will be trimming them down. I haven't done a nail video in quite a while, and that is because I have been giving my nails a break for pretty much almost the whole month of January. I would say 3 weeks. So my nails are in really good condition right now. Probably the cuticles might be a little bit dry. I haven't really done anything with my nails since I took off the last set, which I will insert to show you when I was removing them what I did with the nails to you know, get the glue off and just kind of buff them to make them look a little bit shiny.
I've been holding on, I wouldn't let you go. 'Cause every time I try, you find a loophole. I've been slamming the door and just leave you cold. When I come back, you've heated up the South Pole. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. Push or pull, and I am going mad just like you knew I would. You're reading me like an open book. You know me better than I ever thought you could.
Shiny. I still have some shine on there. I don't know if you can tell and see the shine, but they're in good shape. I'm gonna put these nails on, and what I am gonna do is I'm gonna give them a coat of this Magic Press. This is the Dashing Diva that makes this, and I was reminded of this sort of base shield from another video I did a while ago, and I'll link it up here. I had a few views on that where people were wanting this Magic Press base shield. So, and I remembered that it really kept my nails in really good shape underneath the press-ons. So these I'm obviously going to be gluing on, and I'm going to glue them on with my super glue. Love my super glue. Yeah, and then I'm going to trim them down with my trimmer. I'm going to link the trimmer below if you want. I will link the Magic Press base shield down below, and I will link these nails down below if I can find them. These I picked up I believe I picked these up at CVS. So I'm just gonna get my sizes. I'm just gonna put them on, trim them down, and we'll see how they come out.
I
right, guys, so I did these nails in under 15 minutes. They look absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love them. As you can tell, they trim down beautifully. They file so easily, and there's no white tip, you know, to show that I cut them down. They just look absolutely gorgeous. This is a pretty pink color, and I was able to use a nail that was way too long for me. I could have never done anything with those nails on, but then to trim them down with these trimmers is just so simple and so easy, and you get a wonderful set of nails. Now we'll see how these nails do with the base coat on. Hopefully the glue sticks as good as it does on my natural nails, but we will see. But I just absolutely love how they came out. I think they're so pretty. They're a perfect color for Valentine's Day. So yeah, I hope that you like these nails. I'll definitely link them below if I can find them on the Kiss website or on Amazon. Sometimes you can find them on Amazon, but they're a little bit more expensive on Amazon, so I usually try to link them on the Kiss website if I can find them. Sometimes you can find them, you know, Walgreens, whatever. I will definitely put the name of them down below. So anyway, guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this nail video. It was a long time in coming. Thank you for waiting. Thanks for coming back and checking out my channel. So thanks again for watching, guys. If you like this kind of video, I hope that you will consider subscribing. I hope that you will hit that like button, and I hope that you will come back. So take care, everybody. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye for now.